Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Jaguar XF. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jaguar is a great value with less than 47,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include automatic climate control, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, DVD player, Bluetooth, and power windows.